Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the where condition, how to select, how to filter a specific entry, specific data from this table. So we need to select the employee uh, details from this table where employee ID is 2 and greater than 3 or greater than 4. Okay, so how to select employee ID is equal to 2 from this table in SQL. So you can see this is the table, and let me run a spark.sql and then uh, select star from emp, where we'll use the where condition emp id, okay, is equal to 2. So let me show this one. So it will be coming uh, 2 entries since we have the duplicate value. So you can see Bob and Bob. So since we have the duplicate entry here, okay, let me do in DSL. In DSL, we have to do df.filter. Okay, here the condition empid is equal to 2. Okay, and then show. Here you can see it's not taking, so we have to give a dollar before here to identify the string, and then df.show. Let me do that. df.show. Okay, you can see. So here again we need to select the employee ID which is greater than 4. Okay, so how we'll do that? Spark.sql and select star from emp, where emp id greater than 4. Okay, and then dot show. Let me do that. How to run this one? You can see this is the entry. You can see 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and here how to do that on DSL. So we'll do df.filter. Again I will use emp id and here greater than 2. Okay, and you can see we need to use a dollar sign and then show. Okay, again here if we need to select only employee name and the salary which is greater than 60,000. Okay, so how to do that? Only employee name we need to do. So spark.sql and then select what we need, only name. Okay, name and salary from emp, where salary greater than 50,000. Okay, dot show. So let me run this one. It will list out only the employee name. What you can see, only employee name and salary greater than 50,000. Let me do it greater than 50, greater than 60. Okay, so let me run again. You can see these are the entry in SQL. In DSL, how to do that? In DSL, again we have to do the filter. We need to select or filter. Let me do filter, and then before we need to get salary greater than 60,000. Okay, and here we need to give a dollar sign, and again here you can see we need to select, or if we do then only whole data will be coming, so we need to use a select also. Okay, so select, what we need to select, empid and salary and dot show. Let me run this one. Okay, you can see like that. So this is the entry here, and here this is. Okay, so if you need to select like the employee ID which is only 5 and 12, how to do that? So we need to select employee ID, select start from emp where emp id. So we need to get 5 and 12. Okay, so we need to put that in. We need to use in 5 and 12. Okay, and then let me dot show. Then you can see already two entry will be coming, 5 and 5 and where 5 and 12. Okay, you can see in SQL. So same things we need to do here on DSL. So df hyphen filter, what we need to filter, empid. Okay, so let me do a dollar before that, and then here there is a in condition, isn't. Okay, so we need to do that isn't, and then here 5 and 12. Let me put like this, and then show. Let me run this one also. Okay, so you can see, so like this we can get select and filter and with where condition. Along with that, here is another function, like there's a filter also. You can use the where condition also. So df dot where, you can see empid greater than 7 dot show. So let me use dollar dot show. Okay, so here instead of filter we are using where condition. You can see 8, 9, 10 up to 15. Okay, so this is how you can select using where condition or filter condition in SQL or in DSL. Okay, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. I will put all this video in a playlist. Please subscribe and watch all the video. Thank you.